This bad boy is loud, am I right? Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, today in this Warenotice video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the DJI Mavic Air drone. Now, this bad boy is anything but a toy. It's really like a super duper beast, if I'm going to be honest. For example, it's not exactly Mr. Cheapo. Guess what? It cost me about $800. So yeah, once again, not a toy. And yeah, it also has a 4K camera, which is really cool and can go actually up to 40 miles per hour. That's how fast it can fly. So I'm just super duper excited to try this bad boy. So without further ado, let's get it out of the box. So here we are up close and personal with the DJI Mavic Air box. As you can see on the front, here's a picture of this drone. And as you can see, of course, I got, where is it? The flame red version of this drone. I love Warenotice red. But interestingly enough, still though on the box, it shows the alpine white color of this bad boy. So that's kind of weird. Why couldn't they show the red one on the box? Because that's what Big Daddy Shane bought. And then yeah, over here is another picture of the drone. And anyway, without further ado, let's stop talking about the box and let's crack this bad boy open. So let's see. I made a tear in the shrink wrap to make it nice and easy for us here. We should just be able to peel this bad boy off, get it nice and naked, and then get it out of the box. So let's see. Come on. There's the shrink wrap. Fly, fly, fly. Just like the drone, right? He shoots. Woo! And then, yeah. And then next, my friends, you're going to want to tear this label right here where it says this bad boy's color. Once again, flame red. And then that's going to let you pop the top off. And here we go. Just like that. Ooh, DJI. And here it is. I believe it's in this little pouch right here. So let's see. DJI Mavic Air. Oh yeah, look how good that looks in that beautiful Warenotice red. Check it out, guys. This is a pretty small drone. Look, it's smaller than my head. Look at this guy. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So let's just put this down, maybe right here. Here's the carrying case, and let's see what else is in the box. So now we need to stick our finger in this hole right here and pull this bad boy out. Ooh, that really wants to stay in there. And now we've got a box within a box right here. Let's see what's in this. Pop it open. And let's see. Ooh, is this what I think it is? Yup, it looks like some propeller guards. Oh yeah. And then right here we got some more propeller guards. Check them out. And yeah, what else is in here? We got these. We got the propellers. These are extra propellers, I believe, because look, it already has propellers on it. That's nice. And then what else? We got a lot of paperwork. Look at all this. Wow. Flexing that paperwork. Look at all this, guys. Oh yeah. Now also in this big bad box right here, we've got something very super duper important, the controller for the DJI Mavic Air. You're definitely going to want to use this bad boy. And yeah, we can put this to the side. And what else is in here? We've got another finger hole right here and another box within the box. That's two boxes within the box, which is pretty crazy. And let's see, let's get this bad boy open. What's in here? We've got this little charging mechanism. We've got this set of cables right here, another cable in here, and we've also got, guess what folks, another cable right here. So now folks, I've got the different things that you're gonna find in the DJI Mavic Air box laid out more. As you can see, it's a lot of stuff. So let's go around once again one by one, see what we got. So we got some cables here. We got some extra tips for the controller. The little controller nubs right here, they hide in the controller right here when you want to fold it away. As you can see, it like folds just like that in, so you can make it nice and portable. And then when you're ready to use it, these just fold out and you pop your phone right in here. And built in, it has a lightning cable, but if you use a different kind of phone, not an iPhone, it has these other cables that you can just pop right in. So right here, let's see, this is micro USB, and then right here we've got USB-C. So got you covered right there. And yeah, first impressions of this controller though, it feels very, very sturdy in the hand. Very, very nice. I like the feeling so far, so yeah, definitely excited to use this bad boy some more. And then now right here, we've got these two cables. Now, what are these two bad boys for? Well, these are for charging the battery in the DJI Mavic Air. It actually has swappable batteries, which could help you extend your flight time if you buy more than one battery, because then you can just pop it out of this bad boy, pop a new already charged one in. And now to do that, let me show you. You just these two things on the side, you push them back at the same time, and then out pops the battery right here. And then you can just juice it up with these included cables that I just showed you, and then pop it back in. And now right here we've got those extra propellers if you happen to need more. We've got the propeller guards right here. I might want to put these on before I try flying it. And then lastly, we've got the carrying case right here. Very nice carrying case. Hard shell, as you can hear. Knock, knock, knock. And yeah, put that to the side. And now the star of the show right here, we've got the DJI Mavic Air. So as you can see right here, here's that 4K beautiful camera right there. It had this gimbal protector on it, so if you're just putting it away in your bag, you can just slap this bad boy back on so the camera doesn't get injured. And yeah, also these propellers, as you can see now, they're folded out. They're folded in. And now to fold them back in, the back ones go like that. You just fold them sort of down and like spinning like this, just like that. And then the front ones, they just go in just like that. And now what it looks like when you fold them back out, you go front first, pull these guys out, and then rotate these back ones just like that. Give them a nice little flip. And then there's the DJI Mavic Air. So now, folks, I'm going to get this bad boy all set up. And then let's get ready to fly it outside. So folks, now we are outside with the DJI Mavic Air, and first thing you're going to want to do to fly it is turn it on. So to do that, you're going to want to tap the button on the battery right on the bottom of the drone, and then you're going to want to hold it after you see those lights. And then, see, it just started twitching, now it's turning on, and while that does that, we can come over to the remote and turn that on. Now to do that, same thing, you just tap the power button, then hold that down, and now they're both on. Now in the DJI Go 4 app on my iPhone connected to the remote controller, we can let the DJI Mavic Air take off, and there it goes, hovering in place. Very nice, very steady, and we are looking at it from the back. That's the back of the drone, and yeah. Now let's get to controlling the drone. So the left joystick, if you move that to the left or right, it spins the drone around, and if you move it forwards or backwards, it makes the drone go up or down. Now on the right joystick, left or right, makes the drone go left or right, moving to the side just like that, and also forward or backward on that joystick makes the drone go forward or backwards. Very nice, very simple. Now let's look at some footage I took on the DJI Mavic Air. And with that, that'll be all for this Warenotice video about the DJI Mavic Air drone. So if you enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the DJI Mavic Air drone.